Hi there. Let's go through a brief overview of some of the exciting new features and enhancements available in Jamf Pro 11.1. We're excited to announce the release of Jamf Remote Assist in Jamf Pro 11.1. Jamf Remote Assist allows admins to securely initiate a remote screen sharing session to manage computers and help users troubleshoot issues. To enable this new feature, navigate to Settings, Computer Management, Security. Click Edit, select Jamf Remote Assist, and then click Save. With this enabled, let's test it out. For this example, I'm navigating to the inventory record of my test computer. In the Management tab, click Start Session under Remote Assist. When a session is started, the user receives a prompt on their computer to allow or decline the remote session. Once connected, admins are able to interact with the user's computer, including the ability to download or upload logs and files in order to help resolve any issues. In the Commands section of the Jamf Remote Assist window, admins have shortcuts to open Settings, open Terminal, and reboot the computer. To end the session, close the Jamf Remote Assist window, and the user will see a summary message showing them that the session has ended. Be sure to check out the Jamf Pro 11.1 release notes to learn more about the requirements to use this exciting new feature. Jamf Pro 11.1 introduces macOS Onboarding, a new feature for self-service that allows admins to show users what content is being deployed to their computer after enrollment. Before we configure macOS Onboarding, we need to make sure that self-service is automatically launched after a computer is enrolled. Navigate to Settings, Global, User-Initiated Enrollment. In the macOS tab, ensure that Launch Self-Service when done is selected. Once verified, navigate to Settings, Self-Service, macOS Onboarding, and then click Edit. Let's start by enabling a few items. For this example, I'm adding a dock layout configuration profile and 2 applications. Only policies, configuration profiles, and App Store applications that have been made available in self-service will appear as options here. We can see all the items selected on the Overview tab, as well as change the order these items are deployed. Once everything has been configured, make sure it shows as enabled in the top right, and then click Save. The next time a computer is enrolled, self-service will automatically launch, and the chosen items will be deployed to the computer. If you have questions about creating policies, configuration profiles, or Mac apps for macOS onboarding, be sure to check out the Jamf Pro documentation and release notes for more information. Jamf Pro 11.1 adds a summary view for software titles deployed with app installers. This dedicated table is separate from App Store applications and allows admins to monitor app installer deployments without needing to click on individual applications. Navigate to Computers, Mac Apps. Here we see that apps have been separated into 2 tabs, Jamf App Catalog and App Store. The Jamf App Catalog tab shows information about apps including the name, deployment status, and target group. To customize this view, click the Settings button in the top right to change what columns are shown, pin columns left or right, and choose how many items are viewed per page. From the Summary view, we can click the Retry All Failed Deployments button to reattempt all failed app installations with a single click. We're excited for this update to Mac apps and app installers and hope you'll find these improvements helpful. That's it for our quick overview of Jamf Pro 11.1. Be sure to check out the Jamf Pro release notes in the Jamf Learning Hub at learn.jamf.com to review all of the exciting updates, including an SMTP server page redesign and a new clear extension attribute rule for Healthcare Listener. Thanks for watching.